I can't find him on my camera.
Oh, you can, or
No. I know he's right there, but I can't.
so you go and you'll get a good one, because his feet will be this way.
There he is. He is hungry. Like he's more than happy to show us how to do it, eh?
So funny.